How to fix LinkedIn verification problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to fix the LinkedIn verification problem, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and tap on the search bar to search for LinkedIn just to make sure we have an updated version of the LinkedIn application. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of LinkedIn application. So we're going to go back and then swipe up the app list and then make a long press on the LinkedIn application. Now just tap on the app info option, and as you do that, it will give us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. After that, you can just relaunch the LinkedIn application, and if this does not fix the issue, you can uninstall the application and reinstall via Play Store, and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.